Hello and welcome back to BEEiLab channel. Today, we're unraveling the captivating world of strings in Python. So, let's dive into this tutorial. A string is a sequence of characters, and in Python, you can represent them using single or double quotes. In this simple example, we use the print function to display the string "Welcome to BEEiLab" to the console using both single and double quotes. In Python, you can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using three quotes. In this example, we assign a multi-line string to the variable a, and then the print function is used to display the content of this variable. In Python, strings can be treated as arrays, and individual characters can be accessed using square brackets. In this example, we access and print the first character of the string GeoSpatial, which is the G character. To determine the length of a string in Python, you can use the len function. In this example, we use the len function to find the length of the string remote sensing and print the result. In Python, you can check if a substring is present in a string using the in keyword. In this example, we use this keyword to check if the substring process is present in the multi-line string and print the result. The result of this expression is true or false. In Python, you can perform conditional checks to see if a specific substring is present in a string. Here's an example. In this code snippet, we use an if statement to check if the substring sensing is present in the multi-line string. If the condition is true, it prints the message "Yes, sensing is present." In Python, you can also check for the absence of a substring within a string using the not in expression. Here's an example. In this code snippet, we use the not in operator to check if the substring GIS is not present in the multi-line string. If the condition is true, it prints the message "No, GIS is not present." In Python, you can extract a portion of a string using slicing. Here's an example. In this example, we use the indices 2:5 to slice the string b. The result is the substring from index 2 to index 4, excluding index 5, which is MOT. In Python, you can omit the start index when slicing a string. Here's an example. In this example, omitting the start index means the slicing starts from the beginning of the string. The result is the substring from the start to index 5, excluding index 6, which is remote. String slicing in Python also allows you to omit the end index. Let's explore this with an example. In this case, omitting the end index means the slicing goes until the end of the string. The result is the substring starting from index 4 to the end, which is partial. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the advanced basics of strings. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You can find code examples on our GitHub page. Remember, stay curious and we'll see you in the next video.